Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So this video I'm going to be showing you how I got this look. Okay, so if you're new, thank you for joining this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be alert when I post, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the end of the video. Stay tuned and listening together. Bye guys.
From beneath the sand, the instinctive miracles seem so far away. Across this universe, she lives another day. I know the reason she stays. I know the reason she's so far away. I know the reason she stays. I know the reason she's so far away.
This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Okay, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have any look, or if you have anything that you want me to do, leave it down below or message me. I'm gonna respond to you. Okay, so just let me know what you think about this look, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you finish this video. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, I love you guys.